To use this new update, you first need to link your WhatsApp to your Facebook and Instagram accounts through Account Center. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, go to Privacy. From the list of options, select Status. You will then see the new update labeled Share Across Apps, featuring two options, Facebook Story and Instagram Story. If you don't see it, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. First, toggle the switch on next to Facebook Story. If your WhatsApp isn't linked to Facebook through Account Center, you'll be prompted to log into Facebook and authorize the connection. Otherwise, the feature will be enabled instantly without any further action. Similarly, toggle the switch on next to Instagram Story. From now on, before posting a story, you'll have the option to share it on Facebook or Instagram. You can also disable the platform where you don't want to share your story by toggling it off. This feature allows you to effortlessly share your WhatsApp stories across multiple platforms, saving time and reaching a wider audience. So, that's how you can use Share Across Apps on WhatsApp to post stories on Facebook and Instagram.